Why your life sucks now. Your life sucks now because of comfort. Comfort is insidious. Insidious means it's something that's like termites. It destroys your foundation without you even knowing about it. What do you mean, Johnny? Comfort. I love comfort. That's what we work for, so we can be comfortable in life. No. Comfort works both ways, and more often than not, it works against you because you become comfortable in bad habits. The bad habits are hard to break, not because habits are hard to break, but because it's comfortable to be in those bad habits. And because your comfort zone is hard to get out of. Consider comfort like this. Comfort is like gravity. Nobody knows what the hell gravity is. But gravity is a force that inclines all objects surrounding it to itself. And you have to have massive nuclear propulsion power to break out of gravity. It's the same with comfort. You have to have massive energy or desire or pain, that's the only thing that gets us out of our comfort zone. You have to be able to break out of that. And pain is the number one thing that's going to get you out of it. The pain of losing your house is going to get you out of the comfort zone. The pain of maybe losing a loved one is going to get you out of the comfort zone. The pain of not being able to pay for the loved one's funeral services is maybe something enough to jar you out of your comfort zone. So your life sucks because you're trapped right now in the gravitational pull and force of comfort. And you have to break out of that. The only way to break out of it, if you can't break out of it yourself and muster up the energy for yourself, is to have somebody help you. Here I am. businesscreditbuilder.co. businesscreditbuilder.co. Because I guarantee you, learning how to get O.P.M, other people's money, will definitely bust you out of the gravitational force of the comfort zone that you're in that's causing your life to suck.